Alright, I've just spent some time running through a quick camera test between the Sony Xperia VIII, the iPhone 17 Pro, and the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. And honestly, each one feels like it's chasing a totally different idea of best camera. Sony is the most pro-feeling out of the three. The Xperia VIII shots look supernatural, almost DSLR-like, but you really notice it expects you to know what you're doing. In the right hands, though, the detail is insane. The iPhone 17 Pro is the most consistent. Skin tones look spot on, video is ridiculously smooth, and it just nails that point-and-shoot reliability. For creators, this is still the safest pick. Then there's the Pixel 10 Pro XL. This thing is basically an AI wizard. Night shots are crazy bright, like it refuses to let darkness exist. Sometimes it's a bit processed, but it's insanely impressive. If I had to pick, Sony for control, iPhone for video, Pixel for low light.